Hi guys. Mamukase. So let's talk more about the issues which are happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. A ZANU-PF top official, Chiyangwa, once confirmed or once told the whole nation about how vakuru vezanu eat even vakadzi. So this is it. He was warning his boys and said, guys, usaendesa mukadzi wako padhuze neshasha idzi, unodyirwa. He said it. So let's play the video so that you hear for yourself.
Gentlemen, where in you see today ZANU-PF inoita semunoende muri one handitika makodhi ese aya vanhu vaya vaiteke titu whichever way they want. I even got to a point where Chamisa told me at some point vanakadzingwa mupati vasati vandidzora handini ndizvoka zvikanzi even dai takakuisa kujera ukagara 7 years or 10 years kana wabuda unoti sorry kwandiri kana uchida kujoina futi club usati chidzidzira uzwisa here. So anyone anenge atamba nezvidhara izvi handitika you must be careful what they can do to you. Zvakafanana nevamwe vakambotombobatwa vari mudzimba dzevamwe vanhu vakuru chaivo handitika unotomuregedza upfeka achitamba nayo so wotopfeka wopirowa zvinhu zvake uyu wotobuda wotopereza kuti hamuine museshefu ikadzapazwa. That is the ZANU-PF madhara amunotamba nawaya. Don't play with them because they can, if they want, cause you untold suffering. But at the same time,
so guys, hadzi navachiyangwa hanzi kune vakuru vakatobatwa vari mudzimba dzevamwe vachitodya vachitonyopfora hatiri kuzviona and akatopfeka. The funny part is hanzi notomurega achitamba nayo. So this is what is happening. Sometimes we come here and laugh. Why do we laugh? Is because this is what is happening and some people are dismissing it. And so if someone like Chiyangwa could openly speak under camera and say all these things, he clearly said, musatombore tamba nezvidhara izvi, and zvidhara ndivanani. So basically, Team Zimbabwe, this is something which is very important for us to understand. We need to understand that these are the people we are dealing with here. We are dealing with vampires. So whoever is going to dismiss these allegations, myself, I mentioned it and said, I don't care about Susan Mchami's position. I don't care whether she's lying. I don't care whether she is telling the truth. What I care about is that this is really happening. This is really happening. Kune vanhu vakatozvariswa vanotori nevana vatotoziva muhurumende vakazvariswa nemabosi. Yes. Akatozvariswa nemabosi and that person anenge ari untouchable. It's happening. It's there. So honestly speaking, you can actually see that matangira adzinoita dzotanga chiri chibharo and she will go and confide in somebody else kana pari pabasa, and that somebody anogona kunge akatobvawo neko and you say shamwari nyaya dzepano hadzitaurwi kana ukangoda kurarama iva munhu anogara wakanyarara. It's better for you to enjoy than for you to die. Chichiri nani kufa nekuenjoy. And the person who just decides to enjoy. And Phillip Chiyangwa made it clear kuti even vakadzi venyu kudzimba vari kutonyopforwa. And iwe unotosvika utonyatsozviona kuti ashua ndatodyirwa panapa, but hapana kutamba. Because iwewe ndiwe unenge une option. It's either you die or you live. It's all up to you. So you have to choose one. You have to choose life or death. So what are you going to choose? Definitely, nobody is going to choose death. Only a few people can sacrifice kuti ndadyirwa hangu mukadzi regai ndife. But to the extremes kwavanoenda manjeka, vanogona kuenda kuma extremes ekuti mukadzi wacho haumurambe. They can do that. Why do I say so? Is because if you decide to file a divorce, you lose everything. Because they control everything. So if they control everything, the day you decide to say, let me leave this woman, let me divorce this woman, what is going to happen is that you must be prepared to be left a pauper. If you are working elsewhere, you are going to see that you will be left a pauper. Yes, you will be left with nothing and nothing. So Team Zimbabwe, you can actually see that a lot of people are not speaking, not because they don't want to speak, but because, number one, they fear for their lives. Number two, they fear to lose everything they worked for years. And unozoona kuti vana vacho wanga vachichengeta iwewe pamwe 1 ndiye wako kana kuti 2 vamwe ndevaro handiri kuzoona zibdara rezano. So you can actually see that at the end of the day, you are going to lose your life, or you are going to lose everything, your properties through divorce, or you are going to lose your children as well. So honestly speaking, guys, this is the reason why a lot of people are not speaking out. A lot of people are not speaking out. I know Umemdara Wekuchitungwiza, who was in the military, he ended up with a girlfriend. Akanoirendera ku St. Mary's. He ended up atozviona kuti for sure vana ava vazi vake. I was young those days. We were very young, tichiri ku primary. He knew akatosangana nema DNA results mumba. Tatiri wapfana tiri ku primary. Akasangana nema DNA results mumba ndara yeye. Achitonyatsokonfirma for sure vana havazi vake. Accidentally amenoti mukadzi akakanganwa sei envelope iyoyo. Iye ameno zvaaitsvagawo mapepa ake, and he got through those DNA results. Vana vasiri wake, only one mukuru mukomana ndiye angari wake, dzimwe pwere dzese dzisiri dzake. And he looked at the situation and he realized kuti ndakadyirwa naboss. He went on kunoita girlfriend, akatotanga kuita vana, vakazotandanisana nemukadzi ane girlfriend. So you can actually see that this is how they operate. This is how they operate. If not for the son, angadai akaurayiwa mudhara yeye, but mwana ndiye akazokasika kualeta mudhara zvanza mudhara maakutofa imi. And that is how that man left Zimbabwe. He just left everything. So Team Zimbabwe, you need to know that whatever is happening right now is happening, but people cannot talk. People cannot speak. People cannot point out their abusers. Why? When the abuser is very powerful, you have to comply. You are living at the mercy of your abuser. So ukangorova mukadzi chete obva wanzi iwewe shamwari notonosvika uchisvika kubasa obva watopiwa warning. A very strong warning. So for you to survive, pamwe iwewe wacho uri goronyera, just imagine amana uri mZANU-PF. And mZANU-PF mazara makoronyera ka. 98% yevanhu vari mZANU-PF, they are corrupt. So madhara ayaya, they know your corrupt activities. Mese vanenge vachikuzivai kuti wakaba pakati, wakadya pakati, wakaba pakati. So mukazoona anenge achinzi vasungwa vaivai. Vari kusungwa because panepa vanenge vaita musarinya. So what is going to happen is, iwewe ukada kusimudza musoro apa wanga wachidyirwa mukadzi, ukada kusimudza musoro unobva waunzirwa faira kuoffice kwako. Obva wanzi, have you forgotten mdala kuti you store pakati. So faira rinongouya, so rine evidence kuti mdara makaba zvechokwadi. Pobva panzi zvakakosha kuti unyarare. Handiri kuzona. You are told to keep quiet. A fire comes and you are told to keep quiet. And you know very well that if I speak here, I'm definitely going to prison. So basically what is going to happen is that when you are corrupt, you cannot speak. So when you are compromised, you cannot speak. A lot of people are compromised in different ways. Sometimes they teach you how to steal so that they implicate you tomorrow. They make you silent forever and evermore. This is the reason why you have seen vaskana vasati vamboshanda kupi mabasa anoshamisira. Vanoshanda kuredio, vanoshanda ZBC, vanoita say they drive motikari dzinotyisa dzokuti munhu ane 20 years ari in the private sector. Haagoni kutenga motikari iyoyo. They drive latest Range Rovers. Latest Range Rovers. Dzinoweta hundreds of thousands. And you ask, makashanda kupi? Kwamaka anokuzati ndiri director weka company kakati. And if you are to investigate that company, it's a boutique. A general boutique. Yekuti inini pamwe mukadzi wangu ari kutorun out the same boutique better than that person. But that person is making more money. And the question is, how is that person making more money? She's not making money from that boutique or from that business. But arkuvura. That is what is happening. So mari dziri kufanira kunge dzichidevelopa nyika, dziri kuenda kunodevelopa dzimba dzemagirlfriends, dziri kuenda kunodevelopa lifestyle yemagirlfriends. This is what is happening. And Phillip Chiyangwa confirmed that indeed. So let me play it for the last time for the sake of those who came late. Douglas Mutami, please let's speak together as a nation to remove these stupid leaders. Yes, Medium Chidziva, this is a fact. Yes. Thank you very much for your contributions, guys. Please tell me in the comment section your views regarding this matter while I play this video for the last time, so that for those who came late, they can know what we are talking about here. Stay tuned.
Wherein you see today, ZANU-PF unit as a number one, and then my code is high. But they can see to whichever way they want. I even go to a point where Chamisa told me at some point, Mnangagwa part, what's that one? I didn't do so. You can see, even they take a question of Jero Gara 7 years or 10 years. Can our Buddha not sorry for this? Can we talk to you after the club? We start to choose the who's going. So anyone I think got money to direct, you must be careful what they can do to you. Rakufane wamwe yohamba utombobatwa wari mudzimbadzi vamwana vanhu vakuru chaivo handiti unotomboedza kupfeka achitamba nayo so wotopfeka wopirowa zvinhu zvake uyu wotobuda wotopereza kuti hamuine museshefu azapazwa that is the ZANU-PF magara munotamba nawayo. Don't play with them because they can, if they want, cause you untold suffering. But at the same time,
so this is a clear explanation and a clear expose from Phillip Chiyangwa, and this is true. What we fear to speak is what Phillip Chiyangwa said in this video. This is on video. It's not something or what. This is somebody arima close cycles evana. So when you hear allegations against them, don't rush to dismiss them, because people are actually suffering. He said, you will suffer. You will suffer. So they can put you in prison, nothing will happen. Job Scala, where is Job Scala? He's in prison. He is in prison. So what makes vulnerable people, if they can put nevakuru, because Phillip Chiyangwa could have gone to prison, according to this video, but they forgive him. So if they can put nevakuru like Chiyangwa to prison, what about us? What about useless people like us? In their eyes, we are nothing, we are nobodies. That is the reason why they loot everything and they leave us with nothing. We don't have power. We don't have anything to defend ourselves. So we are going to suffer. So Team Zimbabwe, this is it. I don't want to take it much longer than this. I think I have explored this matter widely. Thank you very much, Washington Mungofa. We are like an abused woman who continues to live in an abusive marriage, no matter how much you try and help them. Yes, we need to liberate ourselves. That is the reason why we are coming out and say, guys, this is the time for us to liberate ourselves. We don't need to continue with this team. There is nothing we can do to them. The only thing we can do is to register to vote and speak through the ballot come 2023, because that is the only option, the safest option we have. Because the life in Zimbabwe became unbearable every day. May God bless us. Yes, God is going to hear our prayers and our cry. God is the only solution to our problems, because without God, we are nothing. Kurarama kudai so amana every day kudai tichifamba kudai ndimwari, because these guys vanogona kutoda tese tingadai takatopera vakasara zvavo vega. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. Thank you very much for coming. Chanongozotya ndechokuti kana vakasara vega anozosara achiita masoja avo ndivana. Only that. Pasina izvozvo kana kuti vazosara vachimhanya maera dzavo ndivana. Pasina izvozvo hatikana takarwa pasi tese. So they want us to be here tichitambura sezvezvi ivo vachiita sei vachiguta vachidya vachiguta. So thank you very much for coming. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so that every time we go live you get the notification. So thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for your support. I love you all. Please rambai mchiti support, rambai mchiti zigira. Ngatirambe tichingolikea, like. Hapana chaunobva. If you like this video, you lose nothing. So just like this video, please. That is what you can do to support us. Just like, so that is thank you very much. Today I'm available, and if time permits, I'm going to bring a lot of issues and different issues on this platform. Stay tuned.